guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a box opening of the newest Reborn doll in our collection. So let's get started so we can find out which Reborn doll is here. So we're gonna open the box. Shall see. So let's open this box and see which Reborn doll we have is newest in our collection. Let's take it out. So let's take it out and look at it. So here we have the newest Reborn doll in our collection. It says Daddy's Girl, Mama's World. See what she looks like. So she has blue eyes, blonde hair. It's very cute. See her legs. It's very cute. This curly hair. Soft curly hair. She has on this cute green top. This colorful skirt. Bottom. She looks very cute. Look at her hands. So this is the newest Reborn doll that we have gotten in our collection. I think she's very cute. What do you guys think her name should be? Let me know in the comments. What should we name her? And we'll do a name reveal next time. Let's turn her around. See all her details. Very cute. We're gonna be doing some outfit changes with her as well. So we're gonna see what came with the doll, what accessories they gave her. So first, this bottle, it says love you, the strawberry and a bunny. Very cute. next, these baby shoes. Very cute. And she has these lemon hair clips. Very cute. This pacifier. As well as this diaper. And a birth certificate. So that's what came with this Reborn doll. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the next video. And please remember to subscribe for more videos.